Hey guys, October51 here with another Star Wars action figure review. Today I'm going to be reviewing the 501st Legion Clone Trooper. This is supposed to be from I think it was the 7th episode of the first season when they were on a Avenger class Republic attack cruiser when two other Land Clone Troopers, Commander Cody and Captain Rex, were looking at something. I'm not sure if it was the 7th episode, but something along there, in that. I know it was in season 1, so. And you see the two troopers, and then one of them leaves, the other one leaves. He's supposed to be the sergeant. And this is what I'm not sure of. Maybe this is supposed to be some Phase 1 Sergeant Appo. But I'm not positive about that, because it just said 501st Legion Clone Trooper Sergeant, so I wasn't sure. And all he came with was this hologram board with a hologram of Obi-Wan Kenobi, except I lost that. Came with the DC-15 blaster pistol, and the figure, of course. And, very nice figure. No removable helmet, but he does have good battle damage done. Looks really good. Ball joint head, ball joint shoulders, ball joint elbows, ball hinge wrists, ball jointed knees, and ball jointed ankles. Very nice figure. I'd recommend picking him up. He'll be on shelves. I think it's April 2012. Even though they're releasing more of the Phase 2 clones. So, thanks for watching this episode. This is R51 signing out.